What is it that we notice when transformations go south in a company?
Yeah, actually, when we talk about transformation failures, most organizations only see the tip of the iceberg, the visible lack of success. But what actually sinks transformations isn't what you can see. It's everything lurking beneath the surface. So above the waterline, failure is obvious. Projects miss deadlines, your expected return on investment doesn't materialize, leadership announces a transformation, and nothing really changes. But that visible failure is just a symptom. The real damage is happening below the surface, where most leaders aren't looking. So let me walk you through what's actually killing these initiatives. First, it's strategy execution gap. So there are beautiful vision decks that never translate into action. We've all seen it. It's boardroom enthusiasm that dies in middle management.
Famous middle management. Ouch.
Then it's the people challenges. So your best talent starts leaving because they're exhausted from all the constant change. Your employee engagement tanks because people don't understand why this should matter to them. Also, you have siloed organization. So teams are protecting their own turf instead of collaborating. Everyone's rowing in different directions. And here's where it gets really uncomfortable. Superficial change. So you have new branding, new org charts, new buzzwords, but the fundamental problems still there. So you've actually rearranged the deck chairs of the Titanic.
Ooh, that's harsh.
But it's true. And then there's customer disconnect. So the transformation serves internal politics, not actual customer needs. So here's my challenge to you. When you're leading transformation work, which layer of the iceberg are you addressing? Because if you're only working above the waterline, fixing symptoms, pushing harder on execution, you're going to fail. Real transformation means diving deep, confronting the uncomfortable truths, and redesigning from bottom up. So let's dive deeper into the reasons for these failures. In our view, the main reasons can be divided into 3 categories of pitfalls. First, you have culture and behavior. People will support what they help build. Culture will determine if your transformation sticks or if it dies. Second, you have leadership and governance. Your systems reward the past, not the future. If incentives don't change, neither will the behavior. And third, over-reliance on technology. Transformation is not just a tech upgrade. It's a business and societal shift.